Hello team. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about grouping concepts. Okay, this is different from hierarchy. I will let you know. You can see the screen right. I'm drawing these orders and keeping here in order to view the table. Okay, I'm going to create new sheet now. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm taking market. Where is market here? Oh, not market. I can take it as uh, okay, sales in a row. Okay, I'll take. Oh, sorry, something is processing fast. Estimated cancel. Okay, sales and another state in this. So I will take here this one here. So you can see the different states and their sales as well right here. So first, I'm going to tell you grouping by header. These are called headers. Okay, these are edit title. These are title one. These are headers. Okay, these are all headers. So I'm going to group it by headers. See, I am going to label it first. See, 19,511 and Alabama and Arizona 35,282. I want to group it by headers first. Okay, so I want to group these both Alabama and Arizona. Click and keep pressing Control button, and you can go here. Not this one. Yeah, this one. You can make it as group. Otherwise, right click group. See, the both were added and one group was created. Got it? Okay, I wanted to group this one from sorry, before going that I want to tell you this was grouped, right? You can see Alabama and Arizona. See, the name has changed here. Before that we used to get state only, but now the name is in row state group. You can see the new field, new dimension here, state group. It is different from normal state. If I drag and only keep state, Alabama, Arizona are different. If I drag this and if I drag it in rows new dimensions, the state of group. Okay, so Alabama, Arizona are combinedly we get. Okay, this is called grouping from headers. I wanted to group the things from window as well. Data window, this is called data window, you know, right? This is data window and this is our analytics window. Okay, you can see here, right? So I'm data window, I'm going to group it here. So what I will do, I'm going to, for example, here for product name, I'm going to, not product name, sorry, I'm going to go to subcategory. uh, Click here, you will be able to see group by, not group by, sorry, where is that option? Create option. Okay, don't forget, don't click, sorry, do if you click it you won't get create, yeah, you will get create option here. You have to go to group option here. The field name is subcategory group. You can, under it you can create different groups. I want to create these five as one group. Click it here, group, and by default all the names you will get. I wanted to rename it to first group. Okay, group. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, you wanted to create another group, you can create another, these three as a group. Click it on group, you can create second group. Okay, first and second group was created under this new dimension field name called subcategory group. Okay, so if you wanted to add these labels in this second group, first you have to click it, you have to go here, add to option. You have, it will give option first group or second group. I want to add it second group. See, the labels were here, it was went here. In this way you can create. You have to click apply. Okay, so you can see subcategory group. Okay, I will remove the state here. First, before going to subcategory group, I will only drag subcategory. You can see these, all these things. Okay, there were no groups are present, no first and second group. I am removing it subcategory. I am going to drag and keep it subcategory group here. You can see first group and second group here, right? In this way, you can create or you can do what is this grouping through headers or through data window. If you wanted to edit, for example, if you wanted to edit it, you want to change it again, go to subcategory group, click it, edit group, you can change it here again. Okay, this is the way you can do it. Hope you got it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we can group through visualization as well. See, if I wanted to group here, you have to first select this. I have selected this one, right click, and we have group option. Got it. If you, where is the option? I wanted to, yeah, first no, not this, tables and supplies, I want to group it. Sorry, table, oh sorry, something is happening. Tables and supply, I want to right click, group. Tables and supply were grouped here. The same way from visualization as well, you can do it, it's not a big deal. Okay, otherwise if you go there, you can see the supplies and tables group as well. You can right click, click it, edit group, see supply and tables were there. This is the way you can do it. I hope you got it. We'll meet in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.